Ipit Andaya, Boy Sasida, and Roy Agantara. Of course, my partner, the Vice Mayor, our very active councilor, Ran Aurelia, and the rest of the members of the NORAD 7 in Bayawan, and also from Siaton and Pasay, Mayong Pasko, Bagong Bulahan, Bagong Tuig. Ang NORAD, ato nang nahimo nga partner no, sa city government sa daghan kayong mga higayon, labi na sa disaster. No? And I am proud to say that we have saved so many lives because of your support in disaster preparedness and even during the height of disaster. And this partnership will have to continue because as volunteers we are not interested in ourselves but for the lives of other people. No? Una ang talagsaon nga hiyas nga atong ipakita para sa atong communities. And because of your assistance, because of your support, the disaster team of Bayawan City was awarded top disaster team in the whole Philippines for small size city last year. And the Vice Mayor and myself was in Malacanang to receive that honor from the President himself. No? So without your support, I know that we cannot make it. No? So again, let me take this opportunity to thank you. And we hope that you will continue to support the programs of the city government. Now I think we are facing a very challenging task ahead of us because today we are facing the economic crisis not only in this country but throughout the world. And this is compounded because we are also facing a crisis in the weather, no? Climate change and global warming. No? So, what can we do as volunteers to uplift the preparedness of our people? No? So, according to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which was organized by the United Nations way back in 1990, we have barely, in fact it's less than 10 years that we can prepare for global warming. Because otherwise it will become irreversible. No? It can no longer be maranin siya niya o sakit nga cancer nga di wa nang kayuhan until such time that even humanity will perish from the face of the earth. No? And that could happen in this century. No? It could even happen at the midst of this century. No? So, as volunteers, I challenge you again to disseminate information to our people who are not well informed about what will happen now and the future. No? And our scientists that was assembled by the United Nations predicted that maybe at the rate that we are going right now, maybe by 2040 or 2050, rise in temperature will probably reach 3 degrees centigrade. And at that rise in temperature, the negative impact will be, one is scarcity in water supply, and the other would be scarcity in food supply. No? In fact, right now we have encountered this problem very recently. No? So, and if we read magazines, if we look at TV, we look at CNN, we look at BBC, there is only one direction. There is a worsening. There is a worsening problem on climate change. No? So either we perish or we fight for our lives, no? Because when the temperature reaches 3 degrees centigrade, we will be fighting for water. We will be fighting for food. And we would not even reach the end of the century. Probably at the middle of the century, man will perish from this earth. So I hope I am not scaring anybody here. The truth is that we are getting this information almost every day from the CNN and BBC, and these are not just predictions. There are seemingly increasing indications. There are so many indications like the melting of the ice at the North Pole, and also the appearance of fish nga dili unta maabot og Greenland. Right now, nanay barakuda nga madakpan sa Greenland. Why? Because the temperature now allows that this kind of fish will survive in Greenland. And these are indications that we are in for a worsening climate change in this world. So each one of us has a duty. Each one of us will have to campaign for planting more trees. Because right now, because of the few trees that we have, carbon dioxide is not absorbed. Pagka-release sa carbon dioxide, maadto na sa taas, kanya this is now covering the atmosphere of the earth. So, anas kawalangan nga mao ni gitawag og greenhouse effect, kay tungod nga muratag gisulod og greenhouse. Muratag gisulod og greenhouse, and we are